Yo, what going on YouTube? It's your boy KD, and today I got the Juice Wrld preset for y'all. I already did one, but here's an updated version of it, and I got it for GarageBand and BandLab, because I know some people just got BandLab and some people just use GarageBand, so I got both. I'm gonna let y'all hear what both of them sound like right now before I jump into either one of the presets, so y'all can hear what we working with today.
I still see your shadows in my room, can't take back.
Okay then, so after listening back to both, you can tell the GarageBand one sounds a little better, but you can get close to the same sound on BandLab too. So let me show y'all both of the presets right now. I'm gonna start off with the BandLab one first. Okay, so the first thing I put on the Juice Wrld preset was the graphic EQ, just to make the vocal sound better and smoother. Here are the settings I got. As always, y'all might gotta change this up some. This right here is just a starting point, and this what made it sound better for me. Alright, bet. So after that first EQ, I add a second EQ. This is a different EQ though, it's the EQ M3. I'm just taking out like -6 dB of that 2500 hertz range. The 2500 hertz range is pretty harsh, usually on any equipment, headphones, microphones. So this is what I do just to smoothen the vocal out some. Taking out some of this range will definitely help. You can tell if you got too much taken out, you can just bring it back up some. But trust the process, man. This will make the vocal sound a lot smoother and a lot better. Alright then, bet. So after that, I use the multi-filter. This is another EQ. I'm trying to get these vocals clean as possible before I start compression. So all I did on this multi-filter, I used the high shelf. I got the highs boosted a tad bit. Y'all can see how much I got it right there. This will make the vocals clean. Yeah, man, no cap. That's why I throw on the multi-filter, because it'll make the vocals brighter and more modern sounding, man. Alright, bet. So after all that EQing, the vocals do sound clean, but now they sound harsh. So now it's time to add a de-esser. Here's what I did for the de-esser. I got the frequency on like 5,506 hertz. I just be seeing waves be having a de-esser at that frequency, so that's what I do. Threshold at like -23, -24. This will just help the S's be more softer in your mix, and all of the vocals will sound smoother if the S's aren't just so harsh and peeking through the mix. Alright gang, so after that de-esser, we added a compressor, the TechLab BA2A. This compressor just squashes down on those peaks to keep the vocals more consistent. If the vocals get too loud at a certain part, it'll squash it down to make it the same volume as the other parts. Okay, so after that first compressor, I added a second compressor, the BL1176. We got a kinda slow attack, a faster release. This just makes the vocals pop out and stand out more in the mix, but it's not too much compression. So here are the settings I got, y'all. Hey, and I was thinking about doing a video on how to use compression on BandLab and how compression works. Y'all let me know if y'all want me to do that in the comments down below. Okay, but the next thing I added was the studio reverb, just so these vocals won't be so dry and so they can fit in the mix a lot better. Here are the settings I got. As always, settings may vary, but no matter what, you gotta have a reverb on this preset. The last and final part on the Juice Wrld preset for BandLab is the ping pong delay. Here are the settings I got. If this ain't perfect for y'all, y'all can always change it up. Now let me show y'all the preset on GarageBand and what I did. Okay, so the bad thing about GarageBand, they don't got a de-esser. So I added the de-esser from BandLab first before I took it to GarageBand. Also, I used the BandLab Autotune at like 85%. It's just a little heads up for y'all. But the first thing I did on GarageBand, I pulled out a LRC7 just to clean up the frequencies that we don't want. Got rid of some of that muddiness, got rid of some of that harsh high mids. That 2500 hertz range, we took like -7 of that out. We were really trying to get that up out of there. Okay, cool. So after that, we added one more LRC7 just to get the vocals smoother and to finalize and fix the frequencies that are still popping out. So this is what I got for the second LRC7. Hey, and just to let y'all know, the LRC7 is a free plugin to download on the App Store. Just look it up. It's called LRC7. Okay then, so after that, we got the RRS CL1 compressor, doing some light compression, a 2-to-1 ratio, a medium attack, and a slightly fast release. It's only doing like 3 dB of gain reduction, so just keep that in mind. The raw vocals already had some compression on it, so I didn't try to go too crazy. Alright, bet. So after that compressor, we added another compressor, a different one, the Rough Rider compressor. We got a 2-to-1 ratio again. Here are the settings I got, just to get the vocals to kind of sit forward in the mix a little bit. After that, man, we saved this because GarageBand only lets you use 4 plugins at a time. So we just gonna save this and drop it into a new session. Alright gang, after I got the session open, I added the RRS EQ 173. On this plugin, the only thing I did was just boost the high end up some. Here's how much I got it boosted right here. This really gave the vocals some crispiness. Yeah man, so after that, I added the wider plugin. This plugin right here just gets the vocals wider in the headphones. So that's why I did it. We went by 8%. Here's the settings I got right now. Yeah, the last thing I added on GarageBand was the rack reverb, just to get these vocals sounding nice and saucy. Here are the settings I got right now. Yeah, that pretty much wraps up what I did on GarageBand, but I also did take this to BandLab at the end and added the ping pong delay. Yeah man, if y'all enjoyed the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Plenty new presets coming soon. Hey, my bad I can't give y'all the preset link to GarageBand. Just follow the steps if y'all got to. It will give you a better quality than BandLab, that's guaranteed. Hey, but the BandLab link will be pinned in the comments. I'ma catch y'all next time, gang.